Hi guys, look at who's behind my head. Isn't he adorable? Aww. Rosacea acted up. See? It's even on top of my forehead too. I think it's because I wore makeup today. Huh? Aww. Look at him. He has calmed down since he got his distemper shots. The reason I'm on tonight is because it's really windy out. And it sounds horrible. Horrible. Earlier, cat hairs in my nose. Earlier, saw an airplane flying in when it was really windy out. And it's like, oh my god, they're nuts. So, yeah, it's now, what time is it? 1:40 in the morning. Probably won't be able to go to sleep because I'll be worried about the noise of the wind. Aw. Isn't he adorable? Yeah. Look at him. Yeah, he'll be 4 years sometime this year. Coming up. My daughter knows. I was hoping it would be really windy out, so you guys can probably hear it. Figures it'd be quiet. Don't be chewing on my rope to my shirt. Look at the tassel. Oh, I hear the wind. Don't claw me. I just asked for that, didn't I, guys? He's got it. You can't. You can't. He tried to take off with it. It was attached to my shirt. Adorable cat. Oh, poor cat. He thought he could take off with my tassels. It's all okay. Sorry, my hair's a mess. No. Okay, well. Just a lazy night. I'm going to go to bed soon. And hopefully I could go to sleep, even though this wind will just drive me up the wall. I've been living in Pennsylvania since '94, and I'm still not used to it, so... yeah. Okay, guys. Just checking in. Okay. Good night.